now moving to moving on to the next example. Let's take another example. 4y plus 3x is equals to is equals to 2. Okay, so we have to remember that before looking at what's right next to the x, we have to see that if the y is subject or not. Subject means that we have to isolate y. In this case, we can see that y is not isolated. So what we are going to do, we are going to make this y a subject. We can do that by taking this 3x on the other side. So 4y is equals to 2 minus 3x. Now we are going to remove this 4. We are going, if this 4 is multiplying on this side, when we take this 4 on the other side, it would divide. So y is equals to 2 divided by 4 and minus 3x divided by 4. So now the y is subject here. So now we are going to see what is right next to the x. We can see minus 3 by 4 is right next to the x, which makes this the gradient for this equation. Now I will give you another example and you can try it for yourself. Here is another question and you can pause the video and try it solving yourself. Okay, let's try this question. Now I have to make this y a subject. So what I am going to do, I am going to take this 5x on the other side, which would make it 4y is equal to 3 minus 5x. Now I am going to take this 4 and take it on the other side. It would divide on the other side. So 3 by 4 minus 5x by 4. So the gradient for this line is m is equals to minus 5 by 4.